It has been a little bit, oh, I literally look crazy, but it has been a little bit since I have come on the vlog. Today's actually the day that I'm going into my new salon. I have like a new suite here that's literally a mile away from our apartment, which is incredible. And so yeah, Carter's out getting a couple things. He had to go to the auction because we got a couple like items from, he does the auction, I don't know. Olive trees and a couple other things. I don't remember what they were though. Yeah, but then he's also picking up a robot, like one of those like vacuums that like, you know, the cordless robot shark vacuum for our apartment because that's something I really not wanted and needed with Woody and his hair because he sheds so much. But yeah, and then we are going to pack up all of our stuff. All of my salon stuff has been in our spare bedroom, like our second bedroom, and so I'm just excited to get all that cleared out so I can start at least putting something together in that room. That room's not really, it's just gonna be used for like when people come and stay over, like come and visit us. Well, we have like we do have an extra mattress. We have a full-on another bed, but it's just easier if we just keep that room open, and then we have like an air mattress for people that want to like come stay. Right now it's just kind of like gonna be like an office, a storage slash, probably gonna put up like a TV or something in there, and I have like my walking pad, so we might do like a little office and workout room. There should be a video already posted, possibly. It's either gonna be posted or it's already posted, of a full apartment tour. It is still, our place is a work in progress, and we know that we're gonna be here for a very long time, so we are just slowly gonna bring stuff in. I've never ordered anything off of Canva, but I love using Canva. I use Canva for absolutely everything for my business, for Mane Loft. So like I use that for literally everything, but also I use it for like my thumbnails, you know, like for YouTube stuff. But I've never ordered something straight off of Canva, and wow, their packaging is absolutely amazing. So I've been like wanting to, like, you know, I love like a fresh new start. I love like new starts, right? New beginnings. And so I thought, okay, what are the little things that I want to like do better for my business? What are things that I want to elevate my business? And one of those things are like little like things like I made referral cards, and then I made little brochures that are like take home for any new client I have, and they came and they're beautiful. So I basically wanted to make, you know, my job easier for my clients, and also so they don't have to remember every single thing I tell them, but everything that I would recommend to them is going to be right in this brochure. And I'm absolutely obsessed with it. I created everything. So if you can see, this says Mane Loft, it says hair care tips and more, XOXO Corinne. Then it has my website, and it's cute little like aesthetic. Like I'm obsessed. And then it just, you know, is just a full-on brochure. Like literally full-on brochure, and it came just literally perfectly. So I'm so excited because I'm gonna give this to new clients, and honestly I'm gonna give them to any, because obviously every person will never, just if they haven't received one, I'm gonna give them one. So it'll be really awesome, along with some referral cards, and so that's gonna help my business and just help with people knowing what to do, because I have everything in here. I mean, I have some reviews like from actual girls. I have like my logo, aftercare. I have a whole section about product aftercare, maintenance aftercare, and at home little tips, extra tips I have for like your hair. And then yeah, just a little aesthetic. Did some things about us. Creating Cali hair in Michigan, because that is my brand. Literally started that from the beginning, and I just a couple little things, little notes to my girls, and yeah, I'm excited. So if you guys are a current client or a future client, you guys can head to my website and book your hair appointment, and you guys will receive one of these and a couple referral cards. And for new clients, I have like a couple deals for you guys, so make sure you guys book. This one is just so beautiful. I can't wait to show you guys what it is, what it looks like. But anyways, I'm talking too much. I gotta get back to editing before Carter gets here. But yeah, that's what we're doing today. Got my big old water, lemon water. Great, just, yeah. There's nothing new over here. Carter just brought home some robinets because it's our current obsession right now.
Corinne just sent me on a marketplace hunt. Meeting with a guy who could have been a killer for all I know.
Yeah.
For this Shark Robot vacuum cleaner.
I'm so excited.
Yeah, actually, me too.
Did he say? No, I've been talking to this guy for a while. You're so sweet, Woody. Okay, I just have to get a little, I have to get a pot for it to go into, but here's what one of the olive trees looks like. I also have this one for the salon, gonna go into the salon. We have a little mini one in our guest bedroom over there. It's still going. What is it? Oh, it went away.
Yeah.
But anyways, he put a heart with a C in the middle.
With maple syrup.
Maple syrup. I think that Carter's making lunch right now. This is my lunch for the day. I have some A2 milk in here. What'd you make me, Carter?
I made you a
Little coffee in a mocha pot, is that what it's called?
yes. I used Mocha Pot by Brioche.
It's probably really loud right now. Oh my god, my camera's about to die.
And it's really cool, Mocha Pot. I'll show you guys how one day.
And then we're gonna go head to the salon.
I use Madcap coffee.
Set up the yeah, oh, I love Madcap, it's my favorite coffee.
I'll try it so we see how good it is.
It's so good.
Actually?
Yeah, I like this one a lot actually.
Still, is it really good?
Yeah.
Okay.
Here, see you guys at the salon. Wait, Carter, we need to pray over this room. How are you? I know, I didn't realize. I saw you change that. I was like, oh my gosh, I realized you're in here now.
I saw your sign yesterday, and I was like, oh, who's this? And I like looked it up, and I was like, I know. I moved away, and now it's back.
Oh, my new neighbor.
Yes, I'm Corinne.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. I'm right next
Oh, sweet, awesome. Nice to
I'll
meet you.
tell you, I saw your neighbor, and I'm like, yay.
Yeah, I know, I'm so excited.
So she,
Yeah, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Yeah, I'll see you.
She used to do my lashes.
Really?
Got out of the shower and my brother's about to pick me up because he's gonna help me hang some stuff in the salon. But I got a very exciting package when I was taking Mr. Woody Bear outside, and I got a cute little PR box. It is from this candle company. I actually already used one, like literally almost gone, but they're all natural beeswax candles, which are like air purifying. Like beeswax candles actually purify your air, and they're non-toxic, and this one smells so good. I think I might be getting the same scent, I'm not sure. Cute. They gave me a little card saying, it says thank you Corinne, and this is all candle burning instructions. Gives little like instructions. That's so cute. Okay, so they gave me a little sample of a candle that's released yet. It's called Midnight Jasmine. Smell it. Stop. Oh my gosh. That smells incredible. I literally have goosebumps. Like, I literally have like the heebie-jeebies. Wow, that smells so good. I'm pretty sure literally my hairs are like sticking up now on my arm. How cute is this? Like all the little bees living good. Oh, it's so cute. Yes, they gave me a toasty pumpkin brulee candle. How just stunning. Like how stunning is this candle? Like, oh my gosh. Definitely cinnamon tones in this. Pumpkin. I mean, oh my, it's my favorite. It's my favorite. Like, I just hope they keep sending me this one because I know it's a limited edition, but oh my gosh, I can't wait for like their Christmas scents to come out. Oh, so good. I've also thought about, I'm thinking about making my own. I'm actually obsessed. Thank you, Living Good Candle Co. for sending me this. This is, whoops, this is literally the sweetest. And guys, I will link their website down below where you guys can find out a lot more information. Also, you guys can get your own candles. Again, these are limited edition ones, I know. And then they have like a bergamot one, a sandalwood, like San Pablo, I think, or Palo bergamot one, which I love bergamot. Like that's one of my favorite scents ever. And so that is one that I want to try. And then guys, this one comes out at the end of September, Midnight Jasmine. Make sure you guys get this one. Again, you can get all of these candles that I just showed you guys and more on their website, and I will link it down in the show notes. Oh, that was seriously so nice. I'm actually thinking going to blow dry my hair at the salon because all my stuff's there, but I also have stuff here. But I think I'm gonna let my hair air dry a little bit, just because it's healthier for your hair to let it air dry a little bit before putting heat on it. I put some primarily pure, I'm really bad at saying that word, primarily pure face mist on myself, toning spray, using the clarifying one because I'm about to get my period and I'm breaking out. And then also used my Tubes & Co. frankincense beef towel balm. So good. Like my face just feels like, that's literally how it feels. It feels instant. Guys, I think my brother's gonna be here soon. But yeah, this is so nice. I'm just so happy. I love this life. Okay, I just wanted to show you guys how I just refreshed my hair a little bit. It's hard because I'm wearing black and it's kind of dark right now, or the sun is setting and it's just been kind of a cloudy day today, so you can't really tell. But yeah, also I don't know if you guys can see this either, but it's just a comfy Mondays when I work. I just do like a comfy, cozy, chic outfit. So some of these sweatpants are from Old Navy. Got my Nike Air Force Ones, haven't worn those in forever. And then I just have this black, super thick, super comfy t-shirt from Nudes. I'm gonna give you guys a little mini tour of the salon suite, but I did just put a few things up for Christmas that I thought I'd just show you guys a little update on the little suite. That I'm not gonna show yet because I haven't put batteries in there or fluffed them or placed it. It's just up there. I'm gonna do it sometime this week and I'll show you guys. Cue the music, cue the little mini salon suite main loft haul, you know, the little tour.